I want to show you a quick tip how to maintain the haircut in between full haircuts. I'm just going to trim these sides, blend it into the top. It's going to literally take me 5 minutes and it's going to look like a whole new haircut. So I'm going to use a number 1 guard and put the lever down so the blades are far apart. And then just barely go up on the hair. Once I'm done with my number 1 guard, I will switch and put a number 2 guard on. And then I will put the lever up so the blades are close together and go up just a little bit farther. Switch that lever down and go up again. We're done with the clippers. Now I'm just going to finish the blend with my comb and my clippers. Put your comb in, go all the way up. You don't want to round to the head. You don't want to take any of this hair off because that's what makes the style cute. So just bring the comb up, and as soon as that hair runs out and you comb straight up, then you are done blending. So just blend all the way around this ridge, and then we'll finish it off with some texturing shears, and we'll be done. The blend looks pretty good already, but I just want to make sure with these texturing shears, put your comb in and just slide your texturing shears right over. Take just a few snips right off this ridge where you're blending into the long hair. Last thing to do with this haircut is the outline. Obviously, if they have a beard, you don't need to do the front line. So start with your trimmers. You can lay it right on their skin, go around the ear. Make sure you're getting all of that hair that sometimes gets hidden right there. Last thing we do, put a little hair product in and you are good to go. Literally took me 5 minutes. If you want to save yourself even more time, do the maintaining sides in between your full haircuts. I hope you'll tag me when you do this. Let me know how it goes.